Good morning everyone! Today we're going to talk about something that's really important and that has been in the news a lot lately, and that's Roblox. Now, we all know Roblox can be a lot of fun. You can build worlds, create characters and play all kinds of games with people from all over the world. But just like in real life, there are dangers we have to be aware of, especially when it comes to making friends online. On Roblox, people use avatars, characters that they design to look however they want. That means you never really know who's behind the screen. Someone who says they're your age could actually be an adult. Someone who says they just want to play might actually be looking to take advantage of you. There are people online called online predators who purposely go into games and chat rooms to talk to kids in ways that are not okay. They might ask weird or personal questions, try to get you to move your conversation to another app. They may say things that are inappropriate, make you feel really uncomfortable, or even try to trick you into sending photos or some of your private information. Let's be really clear, that kind of behaviour is never your fault, but it is dangerous, and there are ways to protect yourself. Never share personal information. That includes your name, age, the school you go to, your phone number, or where you live. Even small details can add up. Always use strong privacy settings. Roblox lets you choose who you can chat with, join your games, or follow your account. Make sure only friends you know in real life can contact you. Avoid private chats and voice calls with people you don't know. Just because they act friendly doesn't mean they have good intentions. If something or someone makes you feel weird or uncomfortable, report them immediately. You can block users and report their behaviour to Roblox. And most importantly, tell a trusted adult right away. You're not being dramatic, you're just being safe. Never go into rooms or games that seem inappropriate. Some people create these games or hangouts that are meant to be hidden from adults. If it feels off, leave. Trust your instincts. Online predators try to make kids feel like they're in control, like they're just joking and being nice, but their goal is to break trust and boundaries. That's not a friend, that's someone dangerous pretending to be one. A real friend doesn't pressure you to keep secrets from your parents. A real friend doesn't ask you to send personal photos. A real friend respects your space and your safety. Roblox can still be an awesome creative space as long as you stay aware. Stay smart and speak up if something doesn't feel right. Your safety always comes first, and no game or friendship is worth putting that at risk. So this week's question: do you think all schools should not allow mobile phones in school time? So until next week, have a lovely weekend and we'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.